Dogs usually kill their prey much faster than lions do. And unlike lions and many other pack predators, they seldom bicker over who gets what. Dining is swift, orderly, and quiet. There's good reason to be so single-minded. The hyenas are back, and in greater numbers. They've been following the dogs, hoping to steal the meal. Wild dogs valiantly defend their prize from larger foes. But it takes 4 dogs to keep just one hyena at bay. And hyenas are clever and persistent. Luckily for the dogs, they've already consumed most of the carcass. It's not worth risking an all-out fight. So they surrender the scraps and head back toward the den. But the short battle has taken a toll. One of the dogs was injured in the brawl. For a lone predator, this could be a death sentence. But the pack will feed and care for her until she heals. Their bond is that strong.